what is it called? Address. Already we got some. Try it. Co swoją?
No, włóczaj.
Fajitas. I like it. Not that really, it's It's Mexican I've had in a while.
I'm not sure that just
Steel. One of the best Mexican restaurants I've been in a while. Much food, everything extra. Other than that, I'm gonna go finish my dinner. I thought I'm gonna finish up with you guys. I had to put him in bed. Camera shy for now, so she's not shy for now, but she'll get into it. Play my food on my day off, 3-day weekend. Well, 4. Other than that, beautiful day in St. Louis. Work, went home, took a shower, changed in a while, so had to bring her out, brag, like, and follow. Love it. Another one bites the dust. Filosofia.